Why don't seniors buy Amazon hearing aids? Because they heard that the shipping is way too soundful. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on Amazon hearing aids for seniors. Tip 1. Research the various Amazon hearing aids. Not all hearing aids are created equal, so it's important to understand the differences between each type. Participants should do their own research and consider seeking advice from a healthcare professional before making a purchase on Amazon. Look out for specifics on battery life, size, output sound level, and noise filters. Tip 2. Check for user reviews and ratings. When browsing Amazon, always check the customer reviews and ratings for each hearing aid. This provides a glimpse into the experiences of other users and could give an indication of the product's quality and how well it performs. Tip 3. Seek professional advice. Before purchasing a hearing aid, seniors should first have their hearing checked by a medical professional. This will help establish the needs, preferences, and lifestyle that will impact the choice of the hearing aid. A professional can also give their recommendations and advice about the differences between the various types and brands of hearing aids. Tip 4. Look out for warranties and return policies. It's important to check Amazon for information on warranties and return policies before purchasing. Not everyone gets used to hearing aids right away, so it's always reassuring to know that something can be done if the one you initially chose isn't ideal. Tip 5. Understand your needs. Amazon sells a variety of hearing aids designed for people with different needs. To make the right choice, it's important to understand your hearing needs and choose a hearing aid that can meet those, whether that be amplifying quiet noises, suppressing background noise, or isolating speech. Tip 6. Consider ease of use. Different hearing aids have different features and controls. Seniors should consider buying a model that is easy to use, especially if they are not comfortable with complex technology. Features such as Bluetooth streaming might not be needed and could complicate the user experience. Tip 7. Consider comfort and style. Comfort should never be overlooked when purchasing a hearing aid. Look out for ones that are lightweight and designed to sit comfortably inside or around your ear. Some seniors may also prefer certain styles over others, like those that sit behind the ear versus in-ear models. Tip 8. Check for compatible devices. Some modern hearing aids are designed to pair with smartphones or other devices for control and management. If this is something you are interested in, you will want to ensure that the hearing aid you choose on Amazon is compatible with your current devices. Tip 9. Price isn't everything. Expensive doesn't always mean better when it comes to hearing aids. What's most important is that the hearing aid meets your needs, is comfortable, and is of good quality. In some cases, a lower-priced hearing aid may well serve your purpose. Tip 10. Don't rush the buying process. Take your time when exploring hearing aid options on Amazon. Making an informed decision will help ensure that you choose the most appropriate product for your needs. It may also be beneficial to talk with anyone you know who uses hearing aids to gain further insight before making a decision. Tip 11. Compatibility with other health equipment. Seniors sometimes use other health devices or gadgets, such as pacemakers. Some hearing aids can interfere with these devices, so it's crucial to check whether the hearing aid you intend to buy is compatible with any other monitors or devices you're using.